Unlock the power of the Samsung Galaxy S23, the ultimate flagship device with amazing features, powerful performance, and wireless charging. Are you looking for the perfect balance of power, performance, and style in a smartphone? Look no further than the newly released Samsung Galaxy S23. This all-in-one flagship device is packed with amazing features and the latest technology. Get ready to experience Quad HD Plus resolution, a powerful octa-core processor, and 8GB of RAM, plus a triple camera setup with AI Scene Optimizer and image stabilization. Plus, with a 5G Snapdragon 732 chipset, Android 10 OS, and wireless charging, the Galaxy S23 is the perfect combination of power and convenience. Join us as we explore the amazing features that make the S23 the ultimate flagship device. Let's get started. Subscribe to Next Up and keep watching to discover all the amazing features of the Samsung Galaxy S23. With powerful specs, modern design, and the latest technology, it's the perfect combination of power and convenience. Don't miss out. Join us now. The Samsung Galaxy S23 is sure to make a statement with its luxurious look and feel. The sleek curves, thin bezels, and inclusion of an S Pen give you unparalleled control for taking notes or sketching ideas, like having creativity at your fingertips. It's clear that this flagship phone was designed with detailed attention and specs tailored to suit your day-to-day tasks, from messaging friends to complex creative projects. But what sets it apart from other high-end smartphones? Are you looking for a phone that has it all? Well, the Samsung S23 has you covered. It features a 6.7-inch Infinity O display that fills most of the front, giving you an immersive viewing experience with vivid colors and HDR10+. It also has Quad HD Plus resolution for sharp visuals no matter where you're looking. The punch-hole selfie camera design makes your videos look better than ever, perfect for streaming or creating content on social media. With all these advanced specs and Samsung's signature minimalistic style design, the S23 is the ultimate package. The Samsung Galaxy S23 not only looks good, but it performs great too. With an octa-core processor, 8GB of RAM, and 128GB of internal storage, you have plenty of space for your apps and multimedia content. Plus, the latest 5G Snapdragon 732 chipset provides super fast network speed, so downloading games or streaming is a breeze. And the fast read and write speed makes multitasking a breeze, so you can finish projects quickly without sacrificing performance or responsiveness when switching between tasks on this powerhouse phone. How does the Samsung S23 compare to other flagship devices in terms of power? What do you think of the Samsung S23's power compared to other flagship devices? Leave a comment with your thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy S23 has some awesome features for photography lovers. It has an ultra-wide triple camera setup on the back that takes amazing photos even in low light. Plus, the 10-megapixel front camera ensures clear video calls so you can stay connected with friends and family. AI Scene Optimizer technology works with each lens to give you amazing photo results. And the image stabilization helps reduce shakes while shooting videos, and live focus mode blurs out background elements for a professional look. So if you're looking for a phone with superior photography, the Samsung Galaxy S23 is the perfect choice. Are you a professional photographer looking for a phone with a great camera? Well, look no further than the Samsung S23. It has a high-end camera system that will take your photos and videos to the next level with superior resolution and image quality. Plus, the AI Scene Optimizer will optimize each photo you take to make sure your memories look amazing. With a special optical zoom lens, you can capture detailed shots even from far away. No need for a separate lens. With so many features packed into one device, you can be sure you get great results every time. But what about battery life? How does the Samsung Galaxy S23 hold up when using its powerful cameras for extended periods of time? The Samsung S23 isn't just about battery health. It also has unique features and technology capabilities that maximize your user experience. It has an advanced fingerprint scanner with 3D face unlock and facial recognition, so you can stay secure without sacrificing convenience. Plus, there are a range of AI-based technologies included in the phone which makes activities like gaming, navigating within apps, and searching faster and more intuitive than ever. With the 5G Snapdragon 732 chipset connectivity, you can use cloud computing services or stream high-quality audio and video content with lightning speed on multiple connected devices simultaneously. And if all of these impressive specs weren't enough, this device is powered by Android 10 OS, making sure you never miss out on the latest updates to your favorite applications, including Google Play Store access, allowing millions of popular games to run smoother than ever no matter where you go. With features like Quad HD Plus resolution displays providing immersive viewing experiences and graphic detailed visuals, plus enhanced data security protocols, the Samsung Galaxy S23 certainly lives up to its flagship name. So how does this cutting-edge technological marvel compare to other top competitors? What do you think is the biggest advantage of the Samsung Galaxy S23 compared to other top competitors? Leave your answer in the comments below. Samsung typically offers a range of accessories for its smartphones, and the Galaxy S23 is no exception. These include cases, screen protectors, wireless charging pads, and more. Samsung also offers a range of compatible accessories, including the Galaxy Buds 2 wireless earbuds or the Galaxy Watch 5 smartwatch. This can be paired with the S23 for a seamless experience, allowing users to receive notifications, control their music, and more without ever having to pick up the phone. Overall, Samsung's accessories are designed to enhance the user experience and offer additional options for customization. Users can still choose from a variety of colors, styles, and features to find the perfect combination to suit their needs. The Samsung Galaxy S23 software is one of its best features. It comes with Android 10 OS for the latest mobile features and an easy-to-use GUI that makes everyday tasks simpler and keeps everything organized with just a few clicks or taps. No more menu diving to find out what you're looking for. It also has access to the Google Play Store services, so millions of popular games can run smoother than ever before on this powerhouse device. The latest update not only brings bug fixes and security updates, but also added functionality like wireless charging support, making your life even easier as all devices are allowed via USB-C connection without extra adapter cords needed. If that wasn't enough, we now have Bixby, Samsung's revolutionary AI virtual assistant that responds quickly to voice commands, allowing users to effortlessly control their apps anywhere at any time. It also has advanced safety protocols, including an encryption process to keep your data safe even when connected to multiple networks simultaneously. When you weigh all of these features together, the active user experience offered by the Samsung Galaxy S23 makes it stand out even among other top competitors, delivering convenience and seamless performance on par with elite-level technology. But how do these upgrades affect customer satisfaction? What feedback do existing customers have on these functionalities? The Samsung Galaxy S23 is making a splash with a user-friendly software update. Easy to install and full of instructions, this firmware upgrade ensures your device can run at its best while still keeping it secure from potential threats or data loss. You can also get instant access to the latest features released by app developers, like smooth performance optimizations and voice assistant commands, perfect for anyone who wants a convenient way to stay connected. With these improved functionalities on top of other cutting-edge specs like 5G Snapdragon 732 chipset connectivity, wireless charging capabilities, Quad HD resolution displays, and HDR10+ visuals, which are now standard in many phones, it's clear that customers who already own the Samsung S23 really love this phone. But how does brand loyalty fare among existing users once they become accustomed to using the technology featured exclusively in the new flagship devices? Are you looking for the latest technology in a flagship device? Look no further than the Samsung Galaxy S23. It offers power, performance, convenience, security, and an array of features to suit any lifestyle need or professional task. It's truly unparalleled when compared to other phones on the market today. It also has stylish design aesthetics. So maybe if you're after something cutting edge with superior hardware capabilities, the Samsung Galaxy S23 might just be what you're looking for. But do people agree? Is Samsung really offering a high quality product at comparable price points offered by competitors? The Samsung Galaxy S23 is a flagship device that offers users a luxurious feel and look. With a 6.7-inch Infinity O display, Quad HD Plus resolution, a punch-hole selfie camera, octa-core processor, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage, a 5G Snapdragon 732 chipset, and an ultra-wide triple camera setup. It also features an S Pen for note-taking, an AI scene optimizer for photo optimization, and advanced fingerprint scanners, as well as facial recognition and the Bixby AI virtual assistant. With cutting-edge technology and features that have been tailored to suit any lifestyle need or professional task, the Samsung S23 is the ultimate package for those looking for the latest technology within a flagship device. Are you ready to see which device has the best camera overall? Find out now in the next video. Samsung Galaxy S23 versus iPhone 14 Pro, the ultimate camera battle. Don't miss out. Watch now to see which device takes the crown.